Hi, I'm Dorothy from crazyforcrust.com, and today we're going to be making a peanut butter football dip, which is one of the most popular recipes on my blog. It's got peanut butter and chocolate and butter and cream cheese, and it's completely sinful but also delicious. All right, let's get started. First thing we're going to do is we're going to add butter and cream cheese into a large bowl. These are softened, so they've just been sitting on the counter for a couple of hours, and that way it'll mix up a little bit easier. And then I'm gonna add the star ingredient in the recipe, which is peanut butter. Now you can use creamy or crunchy, whatever your preference is. And we're gonna mix these together until they're smooth. All right, perfect. So now I'm gonna scrape down the sides of my bowl, and to bind this all together, we're gonna use powdered sugar. I'm gonna add the rest of the powdered sugar, and I'm gonna add a little vanilla too for flavoring, about a teaspoon. Okay, make sure to get the bottom of the bowl because some of the powdered sugar will get stuck down there. And once it's all come together, we're gonna add mini chocolate chips. You could use regular sized chocolate chips. I just like mini ones because I feel that they get dispersed throughout the dip a little bit more than regular sized chocolate chips. Give those a mix. All right, so I'm gonna take some wax paper and turn this out onto the wax paper. Looks like I need to go shopping for wax paper. Okay, I'm gonna use my spatula here to help me get this turned out onto the paper, and then we're gonna form it into a football shape. All right, so now it's a little sticky, not too bad. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna spray my hands with cooking spray just so it doesn't get they don't get too messy. And now we're gonna shape it into whatever shape you want. I'm gonna shape it into a football. All right, so now I'm gonna put this on. You can pick any kind of serving platter that you like. Just make sure that when you're forming it, that it forms to the size of your platter. I'm gonna rip off the excess wax paper just so it doesn't show around as much. All right, so now I have my football. And now I'm gonna actually make it look like a football using chocolate sprinkles. So you're just gonna put it across. You wanna cover it. You can never have too many sprinkles, that's my motto. You're gonna put it along the sides, try and completely cover it as much as possible. I'm gonna use quite a bit of sprinkles. And if you have excess, we can dump them into the bowl. There. And now it kind of has that football shape. So now we're gonna pipe the laces onto the football. And you can do this using melted white chocolate. If you have like a can of frosting laying around, you can use that too. I just picked up one of these tubes that already has it already in there. However you wanna do it is fine. And we're gonna pipe our laces. I don't even know how many laces are on a football. I eat at football parties, I don't watch football. And just like that, you have a football. And then for serving, I like to serve this because it's super sweet. I mean, there's chocolate and sugar and peanut butter in there. So I like to serve it with a more savory of a dipper. So I like to use pretzels. So you can serve them on the side or you can put them around. I think it makes it look pretty. Put them around there. Celery would probably be good with this too. Peanut butter and celery, right? And there you have it. Peanut butter football dip, one of the most requested recipes on crazyforcrust.com.